ordinary day. The world was running as usual. People were rushing to their jobs, factories were at work, transportation services were in order. Everything was normal. Until one day, coronavirus entered into our room and everything changed. Even before we realized its presence, that spread, affected and killed a lot of people around the world. Soon, to prevent it from spreading further and to save people, lockdown was announced. And the people got locked inside their houses. And then all we could hear was birds chirping and could experience the difference in the quality of air. Now it has been several days since the lockdown, and we could already see the changes that are happening around. The air is fresh, canals are getting clearer, and the sky is becoming blue and healthier. Everywhere, the news is about how dangerous the coronavirus is, how it is spreading, what are the preventive measures, and how it is adversely affecting the economy. All this is true and is surely a serious matter of concern. But there is another serious matter that needs our equal attention, which is, what about the constant danger that we are putting over the earth? Undoubtedly, the coronavirus is a threat to the mankind, but there is another side to it. It is also showing us how the nature would work without our involvement. Our absence is improving the working of nature and has reduced the negative impact that we impart over it to much extent. It proves the fact that we are the ones responsible for environmental deprivation. But we are forgetting is behind our fast-paced world is our magnificent nature, to which we have become a threat. Knowingly or unknowingly, we are exploiting our Mother Earth for our benefits. Fossil fuel emissions, deforestation, overfarming, all these environmental degradation activities not only affect the planet and the animals, but take away a number of human lives every day. In fact, the consequences of coronavirus are not as big as the consequences we are inviting in the coming 10 years if we continue to harm the nature the way we are currently doing. But we do not care enough. We prioritize monetary gains over our health. It is only when our own lives were at risk we took action. The COVID-19 in a way has paused the working of the world, and the only workforce active right now is the powerful force of nature, and without the human interference, it is running smoothly and beautifully. That is how it should be, right? Maybe this is a warning. Maybe the nature is conveying us a message that the nature is completely capable of taking care of itself, with or without us. We are not ruling the nature, we exist because of nature. The virus has made us realize that money, power and beauty are temporary and worthless. And what we should really value is our lives and the health of nature. Because when the shutdown took place, we didn't run for buying luxuries, which we crave for our entire life, after which we endlessly run for gaining materialistic pleasure, neglecting our health. But we went to buy food, the basic necessity of life. We didn't go in search of our desired lifestyle, but returned back to our homes. All this is a lesson that reminds us that the real beauty of life is in appreciating the little things around which our lives revolve. After this COVID-19 gets over and we eliminate it permanently from our lives, I hope we remember the lesson it taught us. I hope we do not forget that our existence is a gift of nature, and we start changing our living patterns as determinedly as we are fighting the coronavirus, and provide the Mother Earth with all the love and gratitude that it deserves. Because the other creatures belong to the earth just as much as we do.